friends, welcome to my channel and I welcome you all to learn something new today. And today we are going to make a natural bioenzyme which I have made with orange peels, as you can see here, and this is already been done to show you guys. So today I'll be telling you how to make a bioenzyme, and this bioenzyme can be used at your places for all type, washing your basins, sinks, washrooms, and cleaning your floor. And this you can also use to clean your furniture as well, because this is purely natural and made with natural process, so there is no harm to your furniture or your floor or anything. So quickly I will show you what all the materials are required for this. Very basic materials are required. We are basically making best out of waste. So let me show you the materials. I have taken dried orange peels. You can always take normal orange peels also. You can take lemon peels. Then I have taken jaggery. My jaggery is in liquid form because I have put water in it. I don't like it powdered, so I have put little water in it. So this is jaggery. Then I have taken a glass bottle. If you have a plastic bottle, you can use that. And then I have taken water. So let's start. Take your bottle first. Put some water in it. Right now I'm putting half part of the water. Okay, so this is it. Then so as you can see, these are the dried orange peels, so I have to cut them. You can just do this also. Whatever things you get from nature, they cannot be wasted, what I feel. So always try to use whatever you have. Don't go with the chemical cleaners, they are not good. Eventually, where these chemical cleaners are made in the factories, there is chemical water, which is releasing out the rivers, etc. So we'll start putting the orange peels in it. So as you can see, put some many more actually. This. Then put 2 to 3 tablespoons of this jaggery. So here I'll be putting little, because I have not taken the full thing, so I'm putting very little in this. So ta-da, this bioenzyme thing is, so you have to as soon as the peels take the water, you can see जो ये peels है, they will get moist little, and then if you want to add little water, you can add. Other than that, this is good enough. So after a week, after 2 weeks, I mean 10 to 15 days, it will start looking like this. जो peels है, they are more moist, and secondly you will see this type of water in the bottle. So you can just when it takes 60 days to process this, to actually make this bioenzyme. So what you can do is after 60 days or 75 days, you have to keep this not in very sunny area. Keep it in a normal area, normal where is the normal light comes, not too dark, not very shady area. Keep it in a normal temperature, and in between, in four days you have to release the gases, otherwise what will happen, it will burst out. So remove the cap for a little and let the gases go out, and after 60 to 70 days this will be ready. So what you can do is you can directly use it on the floors in the water which you use for the cleaning, and otherwise you can just, if you don't want the peels, don't want to use it directly, strain it in the other water bottle or the normal plastic bottle and then use it, so you don't get these don't get the pulp thing. And trust me guys, this is a very good product. You can make it by yourself. There is not much of efforts are required to make this. So guys, do try this out. This is non-sticky. I know few guys must have this question in their mind. This is non-sticky. This is and you will get a very beautiful smell around your house. So please try this at your home, and do share your views in our comments. Do like, share and subscribe, and follow our channel, subscribe to our channel.